So the question is, a string of mass 2.50 kg is under tension of 200 Newton. The length of the stretch wire is 20.0 meter. If the transverse jerk is struck at one end of the string, how long does the disturbance take to reach the other end? To solve this problem, we can use this formula. V is equal to root of t upon mu, where V is the speed of wave, t is a tension, and mu is mass per unit length. Therefore, value of mu can be calculated as m upon L, which is equal to 2.50 upon 20. So after calculation, we'll get the value of mu, which is equal to 0.125 kg per meter cube. Let's put these values in above equation, and we get V is equal to root of 200 divided by 0.125. Therefore, V is equal to 40 meter per second. Now, as we know, V is equal to distance upon time. Here, distance is equal to length. So, time can be given as length upon velocity, which is equal to 20.0 divided by 40. So, time required is 0.5 second. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more physics problem. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Thank you.